In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Once dating app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what is Once? So Once is a dating app that sends you one carefully matched profile every day instead of endless swiping. Now, the idea of this is to focus on quality over quantity. So in order to use the app, we need to first download and install it. So open up your Player App Store, search for Once, and we need to make sure we get the right one. So this is it here, Once the Love Matchmaker by Exenco Ltd. Now go ahead and click on open for the first time. Now you need to go ahead and select allow, and then we can sign in or sign up. So we can sign up via email, Google, and I'm not sure what that one is, so I'm going to use my Google account. Alright, so I'm going to agree and share to that. Now I'm going to select all, click continue, and then on the next page we need to complete our profile by adding in a profile picture and all that good stuff. Okay, so when is your birthday? Fill that out, then click continue. Now share a bit about yourself. So you are a woman, man looking for a woman or man. So man looking for a woman. Now you are here to talk, find love, date, or make friends. So choose which one best relates to you. Now go ahead and add 2+ photos. They're going to use your Google account for your first photo. And now with more photos, you've got chances of getting 40% or more matches. So add in as up to 6 images here. So yeah, go ahead and add 2+ photos and click continue. Now select 5 vibes. So go ahead and choose 5 vibes. I'm just going to do random ones just for the sake of this video. And now we can go ahead and enable notifications. So I suggest enabling that so you don't miss any matches. Then from here, we can go ahead and have a look at the main screen. So now it's going to show you girls around you that you can check out. So we can scroll lower. Now, if you like any one of these, what we can do is go ahead and click onto their profile. And we can see more images of them. And then they shows you the location, so that's kind of near me. Now we can go ahead and check the match score on Spotify if you want. Now here to talk. Now if you do like them, you can go ahead and send them a love and then click chat now. Now this is going to be blocked out, but this is basically where you can chat. You're going to see it on your screen. So you can send a message at the bottom here. I'm just going to click back so it's not a black screen anymore. Now, once you're scrolling and that, people are going to check out your profile, and then you can check that person out that's looked at your profile. Now, where it says girls around you, you've got 2 options here. If we go ahead and click on the filter, we can see I want to meet obviously a girl and then ages between 18 and 80. But if you want to narrow this down, we can. So click on the drop down menu. So if I want girls between 25 and say 35, now that's going to show me all the girls in that age. So now this is going to refresh it like so. Now, if I click onto messages, this is going to be your chats. All your chats are going to be placed into here. Now, on your likes or activity, so you're going to see people that have liked your profile and all the people that have visited your profile. So you can go ahead and check out their profile if you like them, so you can see you visited your profile. Now, for this, you need to get a premium subscription. So yeah, just a heads up on that. Now, for here, this is our profile. Now, this is where we want to go ahead and complete our profile. So now inside of our profile, we're going to see our gems, our sparks, our boosts. We can pass the personality test as well. We've got customer support, my account. So yeah, I suggest completing your profile before you start searching and all that stuff. It's just going to boost your profile and you're going to get more likes, more views, and even more matches.